challenges that I found in playing Livin On A Prayer by Bon Jovi on keyboard in a band is the fact that the original recording had many different layers and sounds to it happening at the same time. And so to try to cover that as one keyboard player in a band is pretty challenging. I will show you how I do it, and there are 3 parts to this video. The first part is showing you just the notes and how I play the parts throughout the piece. In the second part of the video, I will show you how I've laid out the parts on my keyboard to make it work for my situation. And then finally, in the third part will be a complete playthrough of the song so you can follow along and practice. Let's start with the intro of the song. Without the drums, it's just the sustained note of B, E, and F sharp, which is held for an indeterminate amount of time, and then when we're ready, we start the left hand on C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, and again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and this is where the bass comes in. Boom, doom, 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 doom. 2, 3, 4, drum fill, and then 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, and then the chords. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now let's talk about this just a little bit. It's just a big C major chord, octave C's in the left, C major chord in the right. We go up 1 step to a D chord, D in the left, D major chord in the right. The next chord is an E minor chord, except there's an A stuck in it as well, so we're adding a 4th to it. Add some dissonance to it, and then we resolve it by playing the full E minor chord. We repeat the C chord again, then the D chord, and then just the E minor chord, and then this little figure just before the verse. 1, 2, 3. In verse 1, we start on an E minor triad. We play 8th notes for 1 full measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another full measure, but then we change it when we get to the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next measure is E minor again for 1 measure. 2, 3, 4. And the next measure is again E minor. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th beat, we stretch it up to the A in the right hand. We are going to play a C chord. Now, here's how I do it. We need to be able to outline the C with sustained notes like this. It's a C5, and then up a chord to the D, and then up to the E5. Now, what I'm doing here is with the rest of my right hand, I'm continuing to play that 8th note pattern with my remaining fingers. So it goes like this. And then it's a little different here. It's an E minor for 2 beats, 1, 2, and then a 4th, and then an E minor triad, and then back to the 4th, and then the 3rd, and then the 2nd. So that's the verse. The pre-chorus is going to have this repeated G that I play with my right hand in octaves. And that's for much of it. In the left hand, we're going to outline a C major triad. And the left hand comes up to the D major triad in between beats. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and then E minor. Repeat 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now this last time we're going to bring the right hand down to an E. 2 measures before the chorus begins is a C major chord, 2, 3, 4, and then the triplet, bum, 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 bum. In the chorus, here's how I play the E minor triad. I'm going to continue holding these top 2 notes in the right hand and move the rest of the fingers to outline a C5, and then a D5, and then the melody in the right hand is a E, D, and then a G chord, C, D, 5, and then that figure again. So a little faster, it's like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 2 and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then there's 2 measures of this E minor before we get back to verse 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's basically starting with an E minor chord and then landing on an E5. Now that we've covered the details of verse 1, I'm going to play verse 2 a little bit more straightforwardly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now we're getting ready to go to the guitar solo next. And so rather than that part we played at the end of verse 1, we're not going there this time. We're going to go straight into a C major 7 chord. It goes like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you hear that little swell in the strings at the end? Swells into that guitar solo. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2. Now we're into the guitar solo, which is a repeat of the chorus, basically. So it goes like this: 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. Now this last time is a little different, and it's an E5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, there's that nice swell before we get into the next section. Now this is sounding like the chorus. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We've played that before. C chord, 2, 3, 4. Triplet bum. Immediate key change to a completely different key. We've been playing in E minor this whole time. We're shifting everything to G minor now, which is a third away. G minor, E flat, F, sus 4, and there's that little figure in the right hand. B flat chord, E flat. It's a F sus again, 4, F major, and we repeat. G minor, E flat, F sus 4, right hand, B flat, E flat, F sus, and in the recording it just repeats. I want to show you how I've arranged the sound on my keyboard to try to cover as well as I can all the different kinds of sounds that go with Livin' on a Prayer. I realize that this is not a perfect solution because there are just some things that I can't do on one keyboard, but it works pretty well for me. So let me show you how I've done it. Now on my keyboard, I do have the ability to divide the keyboard up into sections, as you can see here. The first sound on the keyboard that I am using is the string sound, and it only goes up through this note here, and it ends here. So anything low in the keyboard be covered by this bright string patch. The second sound that I use is an electric grand sound. By itself, it's not really a great sound, but it provides some percussive edge to a piano type sound. And so you're going to hear this when I play in the upper register, some of these chords up here. The next layer is going to be this synth sound, which also adds some percussion. Now the other thing is also, like, there's a pipe organ sound, which comes in handy for that introduction. It adds an element of grandeur and power to that introduction. The next sound that I use here is pitched down by an octave, so it sounds low. And it's a bit of a composite sound. I think there's some strings in there, sounds like some brass. It's like an orchestral sample, but that gives me some low end here when I'm doing those big chords like that. The next sound that I use here is like a Yamaha DX7 sound to give it a little bit more of that 80s kind of feel. And then I actually have a little music box sound. Finally, I have one more string sound at the real high end here. Now this is a sound that I purposely have that has a swell to it. It gets louder, and that comes in handy at a couple places in the song. So altogether, I have strings and orchestra in the low end. And then I get up into the chording section here, and I'm adding those keyboard and percussive sounds, and then even some more with the DX7 sounds, the music box. And then way up at the top is the strings. If you're enjoying this keyboard musicianship content that I provide here on this channel, do me a favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and I would greatly appreciate it.